Students, today in Biology Kingdom Fungi, chapter number 8, you will learn about economic importance of fungi, in which both useful and harmful aspects of fungi are included. Number 1, importance of fungi. Ecological importance, that is, what is their role in environment. Fungi have great ecological impact or effect. They are very important as decomposers, that is, break down large dead decaying organic matter into simple substances, and as symbionts. As you know, symbiosis is an association between two different organisms in which one member is benefited and the other is not harmed. Fungi, along with its saprobic bacteria, which feed on dead decaying organic matter, they play a vital or important role in recycling, reusing of inorganic nutrients in the ecosystem. Without their activity of decomposition, all the essential nutrients would soon become locked up in the dead animals' plants, so they would be unavailable for use by the organisms, and then life could also cease or stop. Mycorrhizal fungi, they live in association with the roots of higher vascular plants, and they improve the plant growth with which they are associated, like plant parts, roots. 95% of all kinds of vascular plants have this kind of mycorrhizal association. Lichens growing on rocks break them, setting stage for other organisms during the course or period of ecological succession. Ecological succession is change in community structure over a period of time. That is, for example, if first a land is barren, then new plants like algae grow over there and they colonize that land and turn them into fertile land. Ecological succession is the process of change in the species structure of an ecological community over time. It is a phenomenon or process by which an ecological community undergoes more or less orderly and predictable changes following a disturbance or initial first colonization of a new habitat. As you can see, two different kinds of habitats: a barren land, which due to occupation of some algae or plants is turned into a fertile land. Economic importance of fungi. Certain fungi are edible, they can be eaten. About 200 species of mushrooms like Agaricus species, morels, whose scientific name is Morcilla esculenta. Truffles, which are underground fruiting bodies of some ascomycetes, as tuber species, they are edible fungi. They can be eaten. Poisonous mushrooms are toadstools as death cap, death angel, amanita, jack-o'-lantern mushroom, reindeer moss. It is a lichen, not a moss, and is used as food for reindeers and some other large animals living in cold areas like Arctic, subarctic, and boreal regions. Certain fungi are used in food industry because of their fermenting abilities. Fermentation, that is breaking down of large molecules into simple ones and releasing carbon dioxide and alcohol. They have ability like yeast. Its scientific name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and they are used in the production of bread and liquor, beer. Some species of Aspergillus are used for fermenting, producing soya sauce, soya paste from soya beans. Citric acid is also obtained from some Aspergillus species of fungi. Some fungi are source of antibiotics, drugs. As you know, penicillin was the first ever antibiotic to be discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming in the year 1928. And it is obtained from a fungus, Penicillium notatum. Fungus is Penicillium notatum, from which an antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered. Lovastatin is used for lowering blood cholesterol. Cyclosporin is obtained from a soil fungus and then is used in organ transplantation, that is to transplant different kind of organs, for preventing transplant rejection. Agouti is used to relieve one kind of headache, migraine. Rhizofulvin is used to inhibit fungal growth. Yeast are heavily used in genetic, molecular, biological research processes because of their rapid, fast generations, rapidly or fastly increasing pool or population of genetic, biochemical information. Yeast was first eukaryotes to be used by genetic engineers. In 1983, a functional artificial chromosome was made in yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The same yeast was the first eukaryote whose genomic or gene sequence was completely studied in the year 1996. Yeast are also being investigated, that is, research processes for hormones production. Now there is pink bread mold Neurospora. It has been investigated or used in genetic research processes. Now we will discuss some economic losses due to fungi. Harmful effects of fungi. As you know, they cause spoilage of food. Many molds, fungus like Rhizopus, Mucus, Aspergillus, Penicillium, they grow on bread, jams and jellies, and thus they are not suitable for human use or human consumption. Spoilage of goods, that is things. Many household and commercial goods are attacked and destroyed by fungi. They include electric goods, which is attacked by certain molds or fungus, clothing, cotton. They are attacked by Aspergillus, Penicillium, Rhizopus and Mucus species of fungi. As you know, Rhizopus is a black bread mold. It grows on bread and spoils it by forming spores. Harmful fungi, they can attack crops like corn and wheat, and they cause major financial losses as a result. Fungi like athlete's foot and ringworm can infect animals. They can also spoil food, as Rhizopus black bread mold grows on bread, as you can see in the picture. Now there are some other diseases as well, which is histoplasmosis. Like spores, they can be inhaled and they can go into the lungs and damage them. Then there is ergotism, ergot of wheat. You can see in the picture. Grains are destroyed. And lastly, athlete's foot, which is also a fungal disease. You can clearly see in the picture. Fungi are responsible for many serious plant diseases because they produce several enzymes that can break down cellulose, lignin, and even cutin, which is present in plants. All plants are susceptible, that is, they accept the effects which are caused by fungi to them. Extensive or large damages due to rust and smut, fungal diseases of wheat and corn and rice. They promoted or prompted mass displacement, migration of people, and starvation to death of many people. Definitely when people were not getting their food, crops damaged by the fungi, so their death occurred. Now there comes powdery mildews, which appear like powder. They appear on grapes, rose and wheat, ergot of rye, red rot of sugarcane, potato wilt, cotton root rot, apple scab, and brown rot of peaches, plums, apricots, and cherries. There are some common plant diseases which are also caused by fungi. As you know that we eat them, so if these crops are damaged, we are not getting fruits. Okay, now comes fungi also cause certain animal diseases like ringworms or athlete's foot. They are superficial or surface fungal infections, like they affect skin. They are caused by certain imperfect fungi. Imperfect fungi are those which do not show sexual reproduction. Candida albicans is a yeast or fungus, and it causes oral and vaginal thrush, that is damage to the reproductive structures, which is also called as candiosis. Histoplasmosis is a serious infection of lungs, as you can see in this picture, caused by inhaling spores of a fungus which is commonly present in soil contaminated with birds' feces or wastes. If infection spreads into the bloodstream and then to the other organs, which sometimes happen or is very occasional, it can be serious and it can even be fatal. It can cause death. Aspergillus fumigatus causes aspergillosis only in persons with defective or weak immune system like AIDS, in which HIV virus attacks helper T lymphocytes. and they may cause death because immunity is low. Some strains or types of Aspergillus produce one of the most carcinogenic, cancer-causing, harmful substances called mycotoxins. Toxins are for harmful substances and myco means fungus. Mycotoxins are the toxins or harmful substances which are produced by fungi. It is called as aflatoxins. Aspergillus contaminates or pollutes improperly stored grains like peanuts, corn. That is, if they are not saved or stored in proper way. Then, due to moist, fungus attacks on them. Milks, egg and meat, they may also have small amounts or traces of aflatoxins. Any moldy human food, that is, which is being attacked by fungus, or animal forage, their products should be discarded or removed. Now you can see ergotism. It is caused by eating bread made from purple ergot contaminated or polluted dry flour. The poisonous material in the ergot causes so many problems like nervous spasm, convulsion, psychotic delusion, and even gangrene. Saprobic fungi, which are feeding on dead decaying organic matter, they are not only useful recyclers, but they also cause incalculable damage to the food, crops, wood, fibers, and leather by decomposing them. 15 to 50% of world's fruit is lost each year due to fungal attack. Wood rotting fungi destroy not only the living trees, but they also destroy structural timber, which is also wood. Bracket shelf fungi, they cause lots of damage to the stored cut lumber, as well as strands of timber wood of living trees. There is also pink yeast rhodotorula, which grows on char curtains, and they call some other moist surfaces, as fungus grows on moist places.